Welcome to ACCAD tutorial. How can apply cosmetic thread? So go to a sketch, select a sketch, select front plane. Select front plane and draw a circle. Okay. Enter smart dimension. So select a smart dimension and enter 30 mm. Enter. Okay, go to feature. Okay, go to feature and select extrude boss base. Extrude the part circle, extrude 30 mm. Okay, and go to select this side, go to a sketch. We are select fillet, apply chamfer. Okay, select this line, again select chamfer. Okay, select, go to back, go to a sketch, go to feature, extrude. Okay, apply chamfer, select this side. Okay, enter 2 mm, go to back. Okay, okay, go to insert, go to annotation and select cosmetic thread, apply. Okay, again go to setting option, document properties, go to detailing and select setted cosmetic thread. Okay, apply color. Okay,